Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Dollar Tree haul. I stopped in there because I needed a few things for a party that I am going to be hosting here at my house in 2 weeks. So I kind of talked about it in my last haul video, my massive haul video, and I told you guys I'm doing a flapjacks and flannels party where we're gonna have a pancake bar and some adult beverages, and we're all wearing flannels or whatever, and I want to set up like a cute little photo backdrop. So I picked up 2 of these buffalo check wrapping papers. I've already hauled these, but I went ahead and got 2 more because I want to put them on my wall as a backdrop for photos. And how inexpensive is that? There's also a tablecloth that's plaid, but it's not as cute as this plaid, so I just went ahead and got the wrapping paper, and I'm going to try to like at least take pictures and include them in a video for you guys of that party. But I get super stressed when I have a group of people coming over and I kind of lose my mind. So I'll at least take a couple photos to share with you guys. Next, I picked up just some simple red ornaments. I got these to go in a garland that I want to put across the fireplace in my bedroom, and I'm doing a red theme in there, red and white, and so these are like the cheapest ornaments you can get that are this size. These are a really good size, and you could seriously like probably get like 5 or 6 of these and like pick up just some like nicer Hobby Lobby ones, a couple packs of those, and be all set on your Christmas tree and get it done for like under $30. So they're just matte and glitter, and I'm sure you guys have seen these a million times, but there are 7 ornaments in here. Dollar Tree is starting to put out their bags, and I found the cutest one. I'm gonna probably try to frame this if I can find a frame that would work. It's so cute. It looks like this. It says Starlight Sleigh Rides. Every night at dusk, 25% or 25%, 25 cents per person. How stinking cute is this? I wish that this like wasn't a little purse or something. Like I wish it was just a square bag. But there were a couple other ones. Hopefully I took pictures or video. There will be video clips at the end of what I saw in store that was new. But yeah, I couldn't get over this. I think it is adorable. Okay, next I picked up some beauty items. I found quite a bit of new beauty at Dollar Tree, like lots and lots of newness. There will be a video at the end, but they have like liquid highlighters and what else? There was liquid highlighters, there was face primers, and just a bunch of other stuff. But I picked up this brow lift here. It is a highlighting pencil and a brow pencil. I've been out of my normal brow stuff for like a week or 2 or longer, and my brows are like so out of control, so I just picked this up while I was there. And then I also picked up the new brow tint. This is in dark brown. There were several colors, so I've never really used brow tint before, but I thought why not give it a try. Let me just show you guys what the applicator looks like in case you're interested. So this color looks, I'm hoping that it's not like a weird color. So here's what it looks like. What do you guys think? I should not be showing you my really ungroomed brows on camera, but like I've never got my eyebrows waxed before, and usually I pluck them and I have to kind of trim them with like little cosmetic scissors because they just get a little bit cray-cray, if you will. Now you guys are going to be focused on my brows the whole time. So I don't know. Okay, so I'm not opposed to Dollar Tree food, but it's not typically what I get when I'm there. But I saw somebody else haul these Nature Valley peanut butter granolas. These are huge. They are 12.7 ounces. They do expire at the end of this month, so I probably only needed one, but I got two because we actually like need to desperately go grocery shopping, and I know we have milk right now, so maybe this can get us by another day without going to the grocery store. Who knows? But Jose loves peanut butter, so I got these for him, and maybe he'll take them to work for a snack because he's been working real hard and not being able to take a lunch break very often. I'm very excited about this next item. It's so silly because I don't have kids and this is really meant for kids, but it is this plate for Santa. Right here it says cookies for Santa. Oh my gosh, that's just a sticker. Is that just a sticker? Yes, you guys, that is just a sticker. So if you, I'll have to take that off, but if you don't like want that to be there, you don't have to. Oh my gosh, you could totally pick up a set of like 4 or 6 of these and use them as appetizer plates. There was only 3 at the store. Like they don't have like a huge quantity of these because there's a bunch of other patterns. But anyways, how stinking cute. I had to get it, and it is ceramic, just the perfect size for an appetizer plate. I'm working up another Dollar Tree high-end Christmas dupes video for you guys, and I actually found out that this is a dupe for a higher-end item, so you'll see that in that video. And I finally found a wish list item that I've been talking about to you guys forever, and they are the mugs that match the plate. So they also say have yourself a merry little Christmas, and they're double-sided. These are adorable. I often don't really like the Dollar Tree mugs. I think that they have like a Dollar Tree look to them a lot of the time, and I don't want anything in my home to look Dollar Tree. Like, I love Dollar Tree and I shop there all the time, but I don't want to look Dollar Tree. You know what I mean? And these don't. Like, how cute is this set together? So anyways, yeah, I was very, very happy to find these. Okay, so I did get the sticker off, and are you kidding me? Like, I have to get a set of 6 of these, or like, actually I would need more than that. I don't think it's gonna be possible, but it would be so amazing if I could get a set of like 8 or 10 of these. And then this last bag is just full of men's socks. They have had so many good men's socks and not that many good women's socks. Like, they have no good women's socks. Well, I guess we have the Snuggadoo socks, and those are good. So I picked up 2 of these dark olive green men's socks. I actually wear these with my boots, and they look cute popping up over my shorter boots, because I do wear a lot of this color or a lot of just black, and it's kind of like a fun splash of color. And the rest of these socks are adorable. They're not even Christmas related, but they will be so cute as stocking stuffers. So I will show at the end of this video like all of the ones that they had. I didn't get all of them, but this is like a little campground, and it says don't feed the bears, and there are little paw prints, like bear paw prints. This one has just pizzas on it, and I think that they had a pizza one before, but this, like, all the imaging on these are really well done and like super clear, and they look like the socks that you see at Kohl's and JCPenney. These are beer bottles. These are going to be great Thanksgiving Day socks. They are like a turkey leg. And then the last one that I got are these little wiener dogs that look like hot dogs. Chip was a hot dog for Halloween, so I thought Jose would like these because it's kind of like our little Chippy. It's funny because Chip was a hot dog for Halloween. His costume was from the Target dollar spot, and a trick-or-treater came to our house with her dog that was an actual wiener dog in the same costume, so it was just like really cute. They were twins. That's everything for this haul. There will be footage and clips at the end. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for spending some time with me, and I'll see you back in a future video. Bye, guys. Oh, and by the way, before I end this video, the product did dry. I just put a little bit on the tail of my brow here, so that's still wet, but otherwise it's dry. these loot bags. You get 6 of them, but they have the truck, and it says Merry Christmas. Really cute. We have some tree skirts. They have red paper straws, which will be great for Christmas coffee bars. Pumpkin spice marshmallows. These look like holiday nails. Those are really pretty. They have lashes. Nail polish, mascara. These are lip balms. Duo lip glosses. Oh wow. Skin illuminator. Any other colors? Those are the only colors that I see. So these are lights that go in your bottles, and they also have the fairy lights. So I found these shadow box signs. They're plastic. I think they must be putting this stuff out for stocking stuffers. Found this Rust-Oleum Craft and Hobby Enamel Fast Drying. Sugar, plum, cranberry, spiced gingerbread, chestnut,